If your thermostat is stuck on one temperature, start by checking the settings. Make sure it's not set to fan-only mode or hold, which can lock the temperature. Try adjusting the temperature manually to see if the system responds. Next, for battery-powered thermostats, replace the batteries. Low or dead batteries can cause erratic behavior or prevent adjustments. If it's wired, check your circuit breaker for any tripped fuses or switches that could have cut power to the thermostat. If the basics check out, try a reset. Many digital thermostats have a reset button or a combination of buttons to restore factory settings. This can clear any internal glitches causing the issue. Cleaning is another important step. Dust and dirt can block sensors, so gently clean the thermostat with a soft brush or compressed air. If the issue persists, inspect the wiring for loose connections or signs of wear. Turn off the power before checking the wiring. Finally, if none of these fixes work, the thermostat itself could be defective, and you may need to replace it or call in a professional HVAC technician for further diagnosis.